In this video, we will show you how Amazon's Redshift Serverless, combined with Xpanse AI technology, allows to build and deploy customer predictive churn model in minutes, using data warehouse with hundreds of millions of records distributed across multiple tables. First, let's look at the source data warehouse. It's a mix of telecommunication data, such as detailed call records or customer care logs, data sessions, and telemetry data captured from the mobile app. Customer demographics, top-ups and web chat logs, and finally, customer status. In the past, this data would be a starting point of a costly, multi-month project. Let's see if we can do better. We are creating a new machine learning project and pointing it to the data warehouse. That's our data inside the project. We need to point the model in the right direction and tell the machine learning which events to predict. This is our historical data on our customer status. We will mark our churners who move their phone number to our competition as our main focus for this project, and our active customers as a background or a contrast to the churners. For this execution, we will ignore other churn types, which we can analyze later. There is a choice of analytical parameters we can adjust under the hood, but for this run, we will use the defaults, which means the simplest and fastest possible execution. Now we just need to wait. Xpanse AI ingests the data warehouse and applies a number of algorithms to catalog and understand the data. Then, it autonomously designs a data integration pipelines, which transform the data into so-called features. Those features will be later fed to machine learning algorithms. Over 1,500 features were generated and tested already in a space of few minutes. Out of these, only a narrow selection of them are deemed good enough to be passed to machine learning. This automated process of generating large number of features and filtering out what is irrelevant replaces months of manual guesswork. And voila, the model is done. We can analyze all the data used by the model and the correlations discovered between the data and the churn. We can also see the model performance here. And we can deploy the model to production with one click. Now we can set the model scheduler to run at the required time interval. And done! If you are looking for transparency, the entire scoring code is visible here and here. This code will be executed back on data warehouse every time fresh scores are needed. And if you want to execute the scoring process on demand, you can do that too. Just pick the list of customers for scoring and click Score. After a few moments, you can see the final output of a deployed machine learning model. Your active customers with a churn risk score assigned to each of them. On the top, you have customers with the highest risk of churn. These are the ones you should probably focus your retention activities on. At the bottom of the list are customers with the lowest risk of churning. They are likely to stay with you in the foreseeable future without the need of any retention campaign. Thank you for watching.